Hello friends, I am Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is holding on you lose. Life is all about desires, isn't it? We all have desires and we keep on striving to achieve our ambitions. We want to improve our qualifications, reach higher pedestals. So is there anything wrong with desires? There's nothing wrong with desires. The thing is, when you compare and compete, then you are never satisfied. And then this becomes a sort of habit, always comparing with others. And then you find you are not enough because there will always be someone better than you somewhere. So there is no happiness. You keep on striving for newer desires. But even though you gain those desires, you achieve those desires, you accumulate lot of material wealth, financially you become really well off, but where is happiness? Why does happiness elude us? The reason is we are always striving. There is never enough in our lives, whether it is material wealth or never enough of everything. So the whole life is all about striving. As a student, you have been striving for better marks. Then in your youth, you want a better college. Then you need a better job. So many desires are formed each and every day, and you keep on striving for newer things, newer desires. There's nothing wrong in becoming ambitious, to have goals, to have time limit for achieving. But we have to understand something. According to spiritual knowledge, everything must come to you in the divine timing. You cannot clutch on to things, I want this by this time. This is the reason for our unhappiness. And if you do not get it by then, you become unhappy. Because you do not know that the higher source has better plans for you. It always has better plans for you, but we cannot see beyond our limitations, that limited wall. We are always told that after death you will meet the divine, you will connect with the divine. Why not when you are living? You have this opportunity to just align with your inner self, inner being. And that is when you discover what life is actually all about. It is not about striving. It is like you'll feel you are already enough. You have enough of everything. You start seeing your blessings. You start feeling limitless. You do not have to strive for something. You are that. You are whole where you stand right now. That is the difference. And from this sort of disposition, you start living your life. Now you have everything. It is like you are so satisfied, you are so contented, so full of love, you become like God, a God-like personality. From here, the change that you will see in your life is now there is no wanting. There's nothing wrong with desires, but then what should you desire when you have everything? You feel blessed all the time. And when you have so much of everything, what happens is you are so happy. You are happy all the time. This is inner joy. It doesn't depend on whatever is happening outside. It doesn't depend on material accumulations, any kind of accumulation outside. You are just happy. Little things, little blessed things in your life make you happy. That is the magic. That little flower that you see today, the stars, you start seeing life in a wholesome, in an absolutely new wholesome way. Now you realize you are actually living your life. This is what is you call as inner satisfaction. This is also what spirituality is all about. Self-knowledge, realizing the limitless person that you already are. You are a divine being having a human experience. That divinity already resides within you. From here, where are the desires gone? You feel so whole. And now what happens is some kind of shift takes place. You start sharing. You see life in a whole new perspective. And now you can see the divinity in others also. You feel so connected with others. And your life purpose becomes to share, to care. And then the meaning of life changes. Now you're not holding on to anything. And you see abundance flowing into your life. Earlier the difference was you wanted so much. You were striving for it. And still anything that you were getting was never enough. Grass was always greener on the other side. Something more to achieve. Now you have everything. Nothing to achieve. Things start coming to you now. You are not striving for anything, and still, whatever you have ever wanted, those things start percolating in your life. Now you see the difference. The direction changes. You were striving for things. And it was always like your desires are eluding you. But now what happens is, you don't desire anything. You just be. And what happens is, everything more than you have ever desired start flowing into your life. And you enter into a life of abundance. Not only material abundance, abundance of joy, abundance of well-being, abundance of everything. You don't seek anything, but things just come to you. Everything comes to you. This is how law of manifestation, the law of the universe also works. When you want something, you are operating from a place of lack. When you feel contented, satisfied, it is like letting go of everything. Now things start coming into your life. So this is the same thing with love. When you try to control individuals you love, they shun you. They just run away from you. They want more freedom from you. When you just let them be, you just give them unconditional love. Now love starts pouring into your life. You have more loving people all around. You have more appreciative people all around. So this is the law of the universe. The more you clutch to things, the more they will elude you. And when you let go of your desires and everything, and you already feel blessed, now you are operating from a place of absolute abundance. You already have everything. This is what you are exuding. Your vibrations say you have everything. Now you tune into abundance. The songs are going all around in the air. The FM, AM, all the channels of the radio are still there in this air. But you don't hear those songs till you tune in to that particular frequency at which that song is. Same is the case with manifestation also. You have to feel abundant. You have to be abundant inside. Your subconscious mind must feel abundant. When you share with others, when you care for others, when you exude love for others, what is happening? You are full of love. You are abundant in love. And love is the highest frequency. So all kinds of material abundance and love, everything starts flowing into your life. You don't do anything, things start coming in. So don't clutch to anything. Don't clutch to your desires. Don't try too much. Just be. That is all. That is the way to abundance. That is the way to live life in a fulfilled, in a satisfied manner. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. It is so beautiful to connect with each one of you. Thank you so much for being a part of this beautiful family of Inner Universe community. I love you and I wish abundance, peace, well-being, lot of wealth, abundance in your life. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you. Namaste.